Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Delibia again. Hope you guys are doing fine. So today is a different kind of video. I went on vacation. It's more like a haul video. Let me start by saying it's a haul video. I got stuff right here to show you guys what I got during my vacation. And yeah, I love shopping, and this time around I didn't go for clothes, shoes. I think I'm getting more responsible and older as a mom, wife, and yeah, I thought I should do some actual shopping for my house because I definitely needed these things so badly, and I thought it was the right time for me to shop around. So if you're interested in knowing what I got during my vacation for my home, then stay tuned. But first of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos, fashion and lifestyle as well. So if you're interested, grab a seat, subscribe, and also do click the notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And I love you guys for watching. And so without further ado, I went to a lot of shops. Some of these items I got it yesterday with my husband when I came back here because I couldn't buy all these stuffs. They were too much for me to carry from my brother's place, so I left some that I was going to shop here. So I did that yesterday with my husband. They are still in this pack, so oops, so huge. So I got some of the items from Yisk. I don't know if that's how they call it, Yisk, IKEA, I think Julia, I don't know. I'll check as we go. So yeah, I got this. So if you're interested, let's unbox this wrapper, and a lot more stuff standing here that I'm going to show you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video proper. Before we start with the other stuffs, let me show you what I got for my kitchen. Let's start there because that's where the power of a woman is. Yes, don't mind me guys. So I got these two pots right here. For so long I've been wanting to add my pots. I don't have a lot of pots, and these ones are big. When I have occasions, I normally cook twice. Like fried rice, I make 2 times, so this one can go once and it will be so okay. I saw this in my brother's house and I thought I should get mine. This one was 3.99 Swedish krona, and this was 275 Swedish krona, I guess. So yeah, I got these 2 pots from IKEA, and now my kitchen is covered. I also got this one yesterday here in Göteborg when I went out with my husband. This smoothie maker right here. I got this in OB in Gamla Stan here. This is a smoothie maker. I want to use this for blending my deep conditioners that I use for my hair, because most times I use fruits and all, so it's more like my hair smoothie machine, if that makes sense. Yeah, my daughters also love smoothies, so this is a must-have for me. And next item, I thought this was very important because a few weeks ago I made my daughters a birthday, 1-year birthday party. It was a barbecue theme, so I had to fry a lot of dodo, ripe plantains, that's how we call it in Cameroon. So it was strenuous to use frying pan, especially when the frying pan was small. I had to do it over and over, so I thought something better. So I went in for my deep fryer right here. I got this in Young Shopping. I can't remember. Okay, Biltema. Yeah, I got it in Biltema in Young Shopping. This was on sales. The original price was maybe $4.99 or so, but I got it $3.99 My brother got his for $3.99. I got mine when he took me there. They reduced the price. I got it for $2.89, I think. Yeah, so this is a good deal. Now I can fry my dodo like no man's business. So yeah, that's that. Those 1 2 3 items, the pot, the mixer, and the deep fryer, I got for my kitchen. So right now let's get to the bedroom, because that is where everything goes down. So Pari said she wanted a pillow. I got her this pillow from Ikea. This was 29 krona. I also got these 2 pillows. These are not actually like something to decorate my bed with. I got 2 of these separate. These are 29 krona each, 2 of these. And then I bought these pillow covers for these pillows separate. These are 49 krona each. I'll tell you why I got this mixed color, so it can go with most of my sheets that I'll be using. So I got these 2 pillows and the 2 pillowcases as well, because I threw away all my pillows. I have been using them for so many years now. Sometimes my oil soaks on my pillows and they are not that new anymore, so I decided to throw away all my cushions and my pillows in my bedroom, knowing I was going to replace them. So my holiday was the right time for me to get them, and my brother was very kind to take me to all these shops. So yeah, and yeah, let's just finish with pillows. I got, since I threw all my pillows, like I said, I got in Yisk, I got 2 of these same pillows for maybe 35 or 45 krona each. I can't remember, but something like that. 2 of those, and these ones were more expensive. I got 2 of these as well. These were, I think, 65. All of them, all the pillows, these white pillows I'm showing now, they are on sales in Years in Gamlester, but they are on sales. So I got 2 of these. I like to have so many pillows on my bed, so yeah. So this makes it 4 big pillows, and the 2 pillows I showed first is to decorate them when I'm through, to give it some brightness. So yeah, okay. So I was looking for a cover to just throw on my bed. I didn't get to see what I had in my head when I went to Ikea, so I got this, something bright. I don't want a dull room. Like, I need to enter my room and feel the summer kind of vibe color in it, even though it's winter, but let something be bright in my room. So I got this big bedspread. It's not like, they call it säng overcast in Swedish, like a bed cover. Yeah, I got these. That's why I got the multicolor decorative pillow to match it with this one the day I'm using this. So this was from I think on sales for 99 in Young Shopping, but yesterday I went to Ikea here in Göteborg. It's 159, I think, on sale, so it's cheaper in Young Shopping than in Gothenburg. I don't know why, maybe population wise. Yeah. And then next item, I got this white bedspread. This was 139. 139. It's a white bedspread. 139. And I got this duvet cover. You know, duvet, the something like the white big covers you use, and this is the cover to wear it on the duvet cover. So I got this multicolor. It's pretty nice. If you can see, if you can see it here, it's a rainbow color here. I got this for 150, and I also got another color. Here it is. I'm showing you on the picture here, right here, where they made the bed. Yeah, so this is 150 krona as well, 149. It comes with 1 pillow each inside. So since I have 4 pillows now on my bed, I decided to go for 2 plain whites to blend the colors on the bed. So yeah, the pillowcases were 49 each. And yeah, any other thing? Nothing more. So I guess that is what I got for my house during my vacation. And yeah, these are the things I really wanted to replace, throw the old ones and get new ones. And I'm so excited. My vacation went well. I thought of my house as well. I got some few dresses like this top I'm wearing right now. The short was 79 krona, so in Gina tricot. So yeah, I got some stuffs as well from Mango and Gina. Is it Gina in town here? I'll do sales on my clothes separately from this video. So this is more like a household utensils that I got, items. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know your thoughts. Such videos because I love shopping, and when I shop, most times I feel somehow to come and show you guys. Some people might like it, some might see it as show off, but I might be helping someone to check out some beautiful stuffs I got on sales. And yeah, I love you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. I'm going to list out the names of the shops I got these items from. I think it's just about Jysk. Jysk is a shop that sells furniture, beds, chairs, just everything household. And IKEA as well, and Obi as well. Obi doesn't sell furniture, they sell, it's a normal supermarket, they sell some household stuff as well. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in another video. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed to my channel. Love you guys for watching. Bye bye.